Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Pac-Man. Learn controls first and practice smooth turns to avoid ghosts. Focus on clearing pellets while watching ghost patterns and using tunnels to escape. Remember, power pellets let you eat ghosts briefly, earning extra points. Aim to secure fruit bonuses and plan routes that keep you near safe corners when ghosts converge on the chase. Understanding ghost behavior transforms survival chances in Pac-Man. Watch how Blinky speeds up and targets your position while Pinky aims ahead, and Inkai uses complex tracking influenced by both Pac-Man and Blinky. Clyde alternates between chasing and scattering unpredictably. Learn scatter corners and timing so you can bait ghosts into less dangerous zones, then use power pellets to flip the advantage and chase down score-worthy ghosts safely. Score optimization matters once basic survival is assured. Prioritize eating pellets in efficient loops, hit power pellets when multiple ghosts cluster, and grab fruits when safe for big point boosts. Practice route memory to reduce wasted movement and protect high-value paths near fruits. Balance risk and reward by choosing when to chase edible ghosts versus preserving lives for later high-score opportunities and tough mazes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.